Welcome to jQuery video series, and today we are going to look into LT filter selector. Okay, so this is far we have reached and we are going to focus on LT today. Okay, so before I jump into code, I just want you to let you know, if you're new to jQuery, then I want you to download the jQuery from this link, and you need to download the uncompressed version. And once you do that, you need to import that into your project. Up next, you need to reference it into your head section, and then you start writing the JavaScript code where you say, document.ready, which means once the document finish loading, you need to execute these instructions. Okay, so let's have a look at the mockup. What I have, I got two h2 tags at top, one h2 tag at the bottom. So basically I have three h2 tags. Then I also have two div tags, and each div contained 3 paragraphs. So we understand the mockup pretty well. Now let's do a sample selection over here. We are selecting all the h2 tag just to test if jQuery is working fine. So let's have a look, and indeed it selects all the h2 element and jQuery is good. Now we need to use the LT filter selector. What LT means is less than. When I say LT and I specify the index as a value, it will select the element less than the given index. Okay, so how do I implement this? I can say first, jQuery, find me all the p tags, and I want you to find all the elements whose index is less than 4. Okay, so now let's preview the result in browser. As you can see, the index is 4 right here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and jQuery is selecting the elements lower than the given index, which is these guys. Okay, so if I come here and if I say jQuery select the element which is less than 2, then it's gonna select these two and it's gonna skip these guys. All right, so let's preview in browser, and indeed it works fine. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how it works. And again, as a homework, I want you to look at this. Okay, and look at this behavior and let me know by a comment what you feel and why the results are like this. Okay, so I hope this helps, and let's see where we are. So we are done with LT now. Up next, we are going to look at the odd selector. So I hope this helps, and thank you for listening. Good night and take care.